Fractionalized NFTs are a type of digital token that represents a fraction of ownership in a specific NFT. This allows multiple investors to own a portion of a single NFT, making it more accessible and affordable for individuals with smaller budgets. Why invest in fractionalized NFTs? 1. Diversification. Fractionalized NFTs allow you to diversify your investment portfolio by owning a piece of multiple NFTs. 2. Lower barriers to entry. With fractionalized NFTs, you can invest in high-value NFTs with smaller amounts of capital. 3. Increased liquidity. Fractionalized NFTs can be traded more easily, making it simpler to buy and sell. Step-by-step guide to investing in fractionalized NFTs, 2024. Step 1. Understand the basics of NFTs. 1. Familiarize yourself with the concept of NFTs, blockchain technology, and cryptocurrency. 2. Learn about popular NFT marketplaces, such as OpenSea, Rarible, and SuperRare. Step 2. Choose a fractionalized NFT platform. 1. Research popular fractionalized NFT platforms such as Fractional, formerly known as Rarible's Fractional, FTX's NFT platform, Gemini's NFT platform, CryptoKitties' Breedable Kitties. 2. Compare the platform's features, fees, and minimum investment requirements. Step 3. Set up your cryptocurrency wallet. 1. Create a cryptocurrency wallet, e.g. MetaMask Trust Wallet, to store your digital assets. 2. Make sure you have a compatible wallet for the platform you've chosen. Step 4. Fund your wallet. 1. Transfer cryptocurrencies, e.g. Ethereum USDC, to your wallet. 2. Ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the minimum investment requirement. Step 5. Choose an NFT to invest in. 1. Browse available fractionalized NFTs on your chosen platform. 2. Research the NFT's rarity, popularity, and potential value growth. 3. Select an NFT that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Step 6. Invest in the fractionalized NFT. 1. Follow the platform's instructions to purchase a fractionalized ownership share. 2. Enter the amount you wish to invest and confirm your transaction. Step 7. Monitor and manage your investment. 1. Keep track of your investment's performance using the platform's tracking tools. 2. Consider adjusting your investment portfolio based on market conditions and your investment goals. Additional tips for beginners. 1. Start small. Begin with a small investment to minimize risk and gain experience. 2. Educate yourself. Continuously learn about NFTs, blockchain technology, and cryptocurrency markets. 3. Diversify. Spread your investments across different types of NFTs and platforms to minimize risk. 4. Be patient. Investing in fractionalized NFTs is a long-term game. Be prepared to hold onto your investments for an extended period.